Hey guys, in this video we're going to be doing the Furnace Mountain hike in Shenandoah, Virginia. So to actually get on the Furnace Mountain hike, you have to walk on a fire road for like a quarter mile. It's a nice pretty little road. Looks something like this. Fun little road here. Got some big rocks right up here. Some little cave back there. Oh yeah, you see a little stream in there. Nice little spot. Alright guys, we're getting ready to get on to the actual trail itself. We're coming up on a fun little creek crossing up here. So, yeah. Oh, and it looks like we're officially in the national park. Right here. Alright, let's see if we make it across. Alright, here we go. Oh, this is sketchy. Alright, we're on the trail. Alright guys, we're officially on the trail, and I forgot something. This hike has a lot of hills in it. So, yeah, a lot of hills. Here, you can take a look. I don't know what you can see from here, but it's a big hill. Really nice out, and it's barely snowing, so it feels pretty weird. It's nice to be outside. Geez, guys, it's gotten hot up here, but that's what they say when you hike, so that happens sometimes. But probably about a half mile from where we're gonna take a break before we keep on going. But it's just getting prettier and prettier as we go up. It's really nice out. Take a look around. Like, it's usually a pretty view, but pretty cloudy today. Ooh, treasure. But that's usually a really pretty view. Pretty nice up here. Hey guys, we stopped at the halfway point, so we're just taking a little look around here, and it's so pretty. You get a whole view of the valley from here. Here, look. It's just a fun little spot. You got some rocks down here. Mountains up there, mountains up there, mountains up there, everywhere. Well guys, look at that view that we've got here. This is the summit of Furnace Mountain in Virginia. Here, I'll give you a view. Look at all that. Look at that. It's so pretty. We're gonna start heading down now. So, see y'all back at the car. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. It was a great hike. We had a good time. And see you in the next video.